This your brother Van Silk, Black Cultural Network, our news channel, sitting out here in the wind. Sad to say we lost the legendary O.J. Simpson today. Died Wednesday of cancer at the age of 76. Cancer sucks. This is what my hands look like on the inside for chemotherapy. I'm dealing with cancer. All I have to say is that everything that O.J. Simpson went through in life, he had a pretty good life. Seemed like he was very happy in what he was doing in his life after prison. And, our history, we're losing our history. The people in our history that we grew up with, O.J. Simpson, the juice, like, I don't know. All I can say is O.J. Simpson, rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Hey, let me take a moment to say thank you to all the people who've reached out to me. My health is good. I mean, obviously I'm dealing with some issues, but hey, I think I'm just about over it, and I'll be back on that golf course hopefully in a couple of weeks.